Are you tired of the same old ribbon flowers? In this video, you have to create something truly unique and unusual. Get ready to make ribbon filler flower that will stand out from the rest. Welcome to my channel. I have made these filler flowers with 3 different ribbons of different sizes, and some of them are only the leftovers of the projects I have done before. The flower you're seeing in my hand, I have made it with half-inch ribbon, and the techniques are different. So stay tuned with me, stay here and watch the full video, and you are going to learn 2 different techniques of making these flowers. The measurement of the ribbon you are seeing in my hand is 2 millimeters. And I have made this pink flower with the 5 millimeter wide ribbon. You are seeing a pencil and a piece of reed here, and we are going to use them as tools. I've made this orange flower with the reed, and we are going to make the small flower with the pencil. We are going to make the flower now. Leave 5 inches of ribbon and then make a loop. Tie 2 knots and secure the loop. I have always found nature is the best teacher. I was walking through a garden one day when I saw a flower that caught my eye. It was unlike any flower I had ever seen before. It had a distinctive shape that made it stand out from the rest. This flower inspired me to create something truly exceptional, and that's what I am going to show you today. I've spent hours experimenting with different techniques and designs and finally come up with a ribbon flower that's truly singular, and I hope you people are going to like this flower. This flower is not only rare but it's also very easy to make, and the best part is you can customize it to your liking. If you are new on my channel, I'm very happy to have you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon so that you can have all the latest updates of my videos. Make 8 loops with the same technique. Again, put a line of hot glue on the last petal and start rolling it too. You can see your flower is ready. Just use floral tip on the wire to give it a more natural look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make an unusual ribbon flower. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crafting videos like this one. Thanks for watching.